Alright, welcome back to Cunning Sense. Hope you're having a great night. Today we'll be talking about Raptoreum shared nodes, or the nodes in general. So Raptoreum's proof of work and proof of stake. So you can mine the Raptoreum, but you can also stake it in a smart node. And if you stake it in a smart node, you get rewards for processing transactions. And the rewards are pretty great. I'll get into that here in a minute. But this is the website that what is Vibin, I think is his name, on Discord has started using. It's iNodes. It's just his tracker and joiners. It's an interface, so it's easier for him to manage, presumably, than 1,000 Discord messages. I think I'm up to 30,000, 35,000. I'll tell you exactly in a minute. Raptoreum on here. And I don't have any complaints. He does lock everything from till the end of the month, so you can invest in it as the month goes on, but I think you can't withdraw it until the end of the month. He does a rebalancing at the end of every month, and you can withdraw as much as you want. All of it, none of it. He rebalances and throws it out, or throws some of his own Raptorium in there to make up a difference. On one of these servers I was looking through, he's got like 2,600 Raptorium or something silly, just to max it out to the 800,000 that's required now to run a smart node. I don't personally know exactly what's required to run a smart node. I haven't looked into it because I don't have 800,000 Raptorium. Like I've said in my other video, I've got 35,000 or so. But all in all, the shared nodes are interesting. He takes a 6% cut, and he says that the 6% cut covers the electric and housing for the server at the data center that it's in. And he said he doesn't have a cut up there yet, so that 6% just covers that. He sells it, and that covers the node. He hasn't had a cut in there yet. He said he has enough Raptorium, and he wants to support the project, so he just runs Smartnode up there. And it had over 1,000 the last time I checked. That was a few days ago. Things been pretty crazy around my house since my son was born, but the website's pretty easy to use. You hit join, and you fill out this. I've done it once through his website, once when it was the form, and once through Discord messaging. So, but the website's pretty nice. So it'll show you here what's onboarding for. So this is SmartNode 30. So he's set up 30 total plus however many he has. I'm on SmartNode 19. This website is a little slow. It does take a few minutes to load some of these pages. It is pulling from a Google Sheet that he does have linked on the Discord as well. As you can see, I've got 35,000. I believe I'm up to 40,000 now. Total personal Raptorium. I'll probably wait until I can get this up to 50 or so, and then I'll toss more in here. But with 35,000, I own 4% of the node. So every time the node gets a reward, I get 41 Raptorium. And this shows, if you scroll over, the last payment date, which was the 4th of July, and the number of rewards it had hit since the previous one. This is the second or third iteration of this. I can pull up the May one, June. So as you can see, the number of payouts for that month, 7, but that was before he shut it down to change over to the new system. So 12, 16, 15 for node 19, back when I only had 10,000 in there. So it's fairly consistent. It's Thursday. That was a short week. I don't know how many we've hit this time around, but so I'll be getting 370 next payout so far. It is only Thursday, and these do run until Sunday. And on Sunday, it gets paid out and then starts over, and this side of the list gets updated, and it'll update until he does a rebalance, presumably at the end of the month, or until there's a node change. And if you click on stats, it'll show all the information your heart could desire for the return of investment here, which for now, this is the only way to get a return on investment for Raptoreum. But it's got all the interesting stats here. Current return of investment daily is 0.34, 2% weekly, 10% monthly, 123% yearly. And those rates of return, especially in the current market, are pretty great. You can get some better stuff in like Pancake Swap and stuff, and get some stuff that is more mainstream, but I think this project has a future, so I'm going to keep supporting it, and I'll keep throwing my stuff in there, and hopefully I'll eventually end up with enough to run my own node, but we will see. Currently it's 800,000 to start a node. The next node increases 1 million, and this is the estimated time. That'll be September 1st, so it'll be sometime around September 1st when the next node increase will happen. It's happened every couple months, so we'll see. And it goes up by 200k per roundabout. There's 267 Smartnodes, not over 1,000. I'm super wrong. I don't know where I got that. I think it was over 1,000 active wallets was the announcement he made in the Discord. But 267 Smartnodes is great. And the fact that through iNodes, his 30 servers here has gotten almost 2.5 million Raptoreum as rewards is just... Yeah, I'm a big fan of the shared nodes. Is a nice way for people who aren't whales and want to get into nodes. Get your stuff into a node, and then you can get rewards for participating in the node through here and actually get a return on your investment. I mean, I'm doing it with 35,000 Raptoreum right now. You don't need to have the 800,000. He is running some for people who just have 800,000, but I haven't been in the Raptoreum market that long. Hopefully I'll get there one day, but I'm a pretty small-time miner. I just like the project a lot. I think it'll go somewhere. As always, thanks for watching, Cunning Sons. Things looking pretty good for Raptoreum. Smart contracts just came out. I'll be doing a video on how those work, and that's what the smart nodes will be used for mainly. All in all, it's a great project, and I'm excited about the future. Alright, like I said, thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.